Hi, everyone. Thanks for logging on to WBIR.com. Here's a weather update for the afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has changed the risk for severe weather to incorporate much of East Tennessee in that level number 2 risk and a level number 3 risk for strong thunderstorms down near Chattanooga. So the Southern Valley has the greatest threat for severe weather, basically south of Interstate 40. Had a front move its way on through, dipped a little bit further south, so northward of Interstate 40, probably not going to see a whole lot of activity. Heavy rain possible, but not necessarily severe weather. That greatest threat is going to be down to our south. This is our tornado potential, and again, the greatest potential for an isolated tornado threat is going to be basically between say 10 and midnight, maybe up to about 3 o'clock in the morning at the latest. But we do have a lot of energy and spin in the atmosphere. So locally heavy rainfall, damaging wind, and an isolated spin up south of Interstate 40 could not be ruled out as we progress through the rest of our afternoon and evening hours, mainly after 6 o'clock. We've had the steadier showers hanging out right in along that frontal boundary, but here comes the energy in the atmosphere. 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, this is really going to get its act together. So 8 o'clock tonight, 7 o'clock Central Time, heads up across the Cumberland Plateau. From 8 to 10, that works its way into the valley. Again, Interstate 40 south. You can really see how the model's picking up on some strong thunderstorm activity, damaging wind, locally heavy rainfall, some strong wind gusts for sure, and the possibility of a spin up by then. Latest model guidance has us out by around midnight tonight. That would be great news with a few lingering showers early tomorrow morning. But we're talking about the possibility of up to another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Rainfall through the weekend, though, another round of rain heading our way on Saturday. So today's rain and Saturday's rain could pile up to about 2 to 4 inches. And then some seasonable temperatures heading our way. Sunday, you may look at your cell phones and see a high temperature of around the 50s or 60s. That's, yes, likely in the middle of the night. But then as we progress through our Sunday afternoon, falling temperatures, it's going to be cold and blustery as wind chill values in the 30s, and we'll see some sunshine with typical weather Monday and Tuesday. Have a great day. Be safe. Make sure to have your have a way to receive your weather information as we head into the evening and overnight hours. We'll keep you posted on 10 News. Have a great day.